Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We have a Galaxy A23 4G with a busted display, and David, our Samsung Galaxy expert, fix it right now. So this Galaxy A23 4G will need a new display, and we all know that David will just make it look easy, knowing that he is the Samsung Galaxy expert. And you can see here the back cover is made up of plastic. So this is very typical for budget smartphones, mid-range, entry-level plastic, this back cover, which is I'm a fan of. They are very durable, very flexible, so whenever you open up the device like this, you can just yank them out slowly and it will provide leverage. Glass back covers, very good for wireless charging, very good to the touch, but not really good for durability. Drop it and it will look ugly in a few seconds. Back cover is off. We will remove the camera glass, also made up of plastic, and the camera glass itself, the cover is glass. You can just yank it out. So you can see the actual camera array there. Not really the best part of this smartphone. Budget smartphones nowadays though comes with very large batteries like this one. You can see the proportion of the battery compared to the overall size of this device. It's also quite dense. You can also do fast charging, and you don't really need the flagship device nowadays if you can live with just the bare minimum. But if you want high spec cameras, high performance CPU and graphics card for the graphics chip for the smartphone, then go for flagship. But this is good for daily use, to be honest. We have detached the flex cable for the power button. You can see there the cover for the housing, and then we will test the replacement display. We have detached the battery and the display connector. We will attach the display connector to the main board. It's quite tricky. The biggest connector, and then this battery connector will be plugged in. We need a way to turn on the device, so we will reattach the connector for the power button. It's got fiddly because it's on a different part of the smartphone, but here you go. There you are. So showing us the Samsung Galaxy logo. We have detached the power button now, no need for that. We'll just see if the replacement display is good. No dead pixels, no discoloration. Well, it's good. That's a lovely wallpaper. For the Galaxy A23, you can argue that you can just buy a brand new one because it's quite cheap, to be honest. We have the new Galaxy A25 5G. That could be a good replacement. But if you have data on the smartphone, you might want to have it fixed so you can retrieve photos, files in the smartphone. And to be honest, it's still cost-effective to fix an entry-level smartphone, depending on where you get the repairs. With Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we offer quality service for reasonable prices. So depending on the price of the smartphone, we will just match it in proportion to the replacement parts and the replacement service costs. So it's nothing to worry about. We still encourage people to have broken smartphones fixed rather than having them buy a brand new one, because it's still good for the environment and it's good for you because you don't need to shell out more cash. Just shell out a portion of the total cost of the device and have it fixed. And this one is still good, to be honest. The battery is still good. The main board is basically brand new because it's untouched. The display will look brand new because it's brand new. It will look refreshed after this repair. So yeah, if you want to have your A23, A25, any Galaxy A series from Samsung, go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. David will have the parts, and he's the Samsung Galaxy expert. So he's flying through this repair. No worries. Maybe a half an hour to an hour tops. Just done. Look at here. We'll just cover this up. If you do a few more testing and give it back to the client. So if you're outside of Australia, you still need a fix for your iPhone, higher end ROG phone, definitely give David a chat. Or you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. If you're outside of Sydney though, you can mail in your broken smartphone to us so we can fix it here in the shop. And we'll make it look brand new from the front side. We'll reuse the back cover, of course. Makes sense. And look at that. It looks like buying a brand new phone. It's still the same inside, but brand new display, looks fresh. Very, very convenient. We'll throw in a free tempered glass for this guy so that it will not shatter on its next adventure and rendezvous with the ground. There you go. We'll see how experts apply tempered glass because I'm also curious how to do this. Wait, that's it? It's amazing. So like and subscribe, guys. We do lots of repairs every day, so we'll upload more in the future. If you're interested in this kind of content, like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.